We're Anne and Eve. After living and working in Thailand for 2 years, we decided it was time for a change. We've dusted our bags and we'll take you along on our journey. In the previous episode, we were very excited to take our newly bought van, Boris, on his first trip to the Netherlands. There we found the materials to start the van conversion. First work on Boris, remove the original floor from his previous life.
Good morning. Second day of this build. Cleaning day. Have to clean the walls, clean the floor, degrease everything so I can stick the sound deadening and the insulation against the walls. Not looking forward to this day. I wish Anne was here to clean. Bad joke. No. Anne had to start at 7 AM this morning. She will be back around 4:30. So again today will be all on my own. Let's start today.
André is smelling the screws, so Yves can do the cleaning afterwards. He's using all his cleaning skills to make Boris spick and span. We need a clean foundation to start building our tiny home.
I finished the easy part. The walls are cleaned, the doors are cleaned. Now it's time to tackle the floor. And as you have probably seen already, the floor is very dirty.
The change is amazing because this floor was really dirty. A brush helps to get to all corners.
Done cleaning the cargo of the van. Happy with myself, happy it's over, it's done. I had to clean the floor twice. Turned out pretty well. There are a few spots with rust, so I'm going to let it dry and after that treat it with hammerite paint. Then I can start maybe this weekend already applying the sound deadening on the walls. Good morning on van build day 3. Yesterday I finished cleaning the walls and the floor. Cleaned the floor, I wiped it twice, reinstalled the original floor for the time being. So it makes it easier, more stable to work on, like when we do the insulation of the walls. Already did the first panels of sound deadening yesterday. I'm going to continue with that this morning. So these are the sheets of sound deadening. And you can cut them easily with a Stanley knife. I have my model. Et voilà! Of course, I cut the wrong side. This sheet is for the other side. It's typical me. This time I took the correct side. Have a look, try. Perfect. Oh yeah. Some people cover their van 100%, but Noiko, where I bought the sheets, say 70% should be enough. So as you can see, I'm covering, let's say maybe 90% of my van, I think. And the result is already amazing. I have rollers to roll against the sun deadening so it even sticks better, but be careful. You don't push too hard so that you damage your fan. What's wrong?
I'm coming to help you. I'm your helping hand.
God bless.
First help.
A miracle.
And now?
To the wall.
Start up.
First look if it fits.
Yep. Hey, look at this fence. These are heavy. Whoa. Whoa. That fits. Yeah. I get by with a little help from my friend, like the song of the Beatles. Almost there. Perfect. Look here.
Beginner's luck. Stop, stop.
Oh, coffee time. Coffee walla.
Coffee walla.
Coffee walla. I made chocolate cake, chocolate marbled vegan cake yesterday. Look here. It's check, check,
yeah.
check, check,
Check.
check, check. Hope it's okay. Forget to lose the book. Yeah.
Schmuck.
Schmuck.
Schmuck it is.
Smuck we learned from Van Sagas. Huh?
No.
Oh.
Max.
Max.
Max and Aki. And Max and Lee. Schmuck.
We learned a lot from all the other vloggers. I will yet.
Max and Lee and Aki. Iman and Beck.
Yeah.
Van Life Sagas.
And Van Wives.
Van Wives.
Yeah.
Both are a big, they all are a big inspiration
And
for
the
us.
other one with the good website that you use for the vandals.
For outright.com.
The best guidelines for building your van, transforming your van. Okay, can I take the other one?
Wait. Not too quick, not that young anymore.
When you're 42.
43 even.
You're 43. Like the Andy one. Having fun during work is so important. Good vibes all around. Okay. Check.
Schmuck! Good morning from the workshop. Another day of van building, van conversion. The van is back from a professional who installed the Max Van Deluxe. Very happy with it, very happy with the swift service of Mace Mobility Center. Brought the van in yesterday at 8 o'clock and today at 9 o'clock picked it up again. It's professionally done, better than I could have done it. And as well, they fixed the other hole. There was another vent in the roof. Took the vent out and installed a small aluminum plate. Made it waterproof, very tight. Very happy with the service of Mobility Center. Mace Mobility Center. I'm going to continue with the sound deadening, the wheel arches, and if possible I'm going to tackle the roof by myself, the ceiling by myself. We'll see how fast it'll go today. Good morning. It's almost 7 o'clock. Still pitch black outside. The sun hasn't come up yet. It's very cold, but I'm already going to start wrapping the floor. I'm going to treat it with a special paint, Hammerite. There are some rust spots. I prepped them. I'm going to give them 2 layers. First layer now, 7 o'clock. Second layer when it's dry, just before lunch. So I can start with the insulation of the floor, hopefully this afternoon. And left already. So you have to start 6:45. So we wake up 5:30. Need something to give it a stir. Quick stir. It's very thick paint. Okay, let's go. Lack of light, but it is what it is. Here we go. Have to watch out with my hoodie. Doesn't drop in the paint. So the first layer of paint has dried. Time for the second layer. I've put the fan in the sun so the paint was able to dry quickly. Now I'm going to close all the holes. Quick count, more than 40 holes in the van. Going to close it and seal it again with an extra layer of leftover sound deadening. So one by one, here we go. Almost there. Finally lunchtime, it's 12:30. It was a very long morning, but I have to take advantage of the sun. Fine weather until it lasts. I finished sound deadening of the wheel arches. Applied 2 layers of Hammerite on all the holes in the van floor. Sealed it and applied some leftover of the sound deadening. Happy with the results so far. After this, we can start cutting the insulation of the floor. This is for this afternoon. First, lunch.
After lunch, we start with the insulation of the floor. We put long strips of insulation between the floor bridges so we get a flat surface. Okay, now I'm here to help. So I have to work late tonight, so perfect time to assist my husband. This is the original flooring, but there's silicone on it, so I have to put the silicone off. It's a very easy job, I think, I hope. Next step, we cover the complete floor with insulation plates and glue it down with silicone. Important to spread your own weight so we don't damage the insulation.
I'm sealing the gap with aluminium tape. See, there are some gaps between the panels. Aluminum or aluminium, whatever. It all depends where you're from.
Need my help?
Need someone with nails.
I have nails.
You're not allowed to have nails as a nurse.
But they are too long.
So, you have to clip them.
Okay.
right now.
Yeah.
Put on my gloves again. Because
It's too cold.
no. Because you can cut yourself with this tape.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good morning, guys. Sun has come up finally. It's still very cold, only 2 degrees Celsius. The van is completely wet inside, so I have to wait a little bit more for the sun to come up so the van can dry out. But in the meantime, I can already show you what I have done this weekend, how far we already are. So come inside. So as you can see, I covered all the walls already, the biggest parts of the walls with the insulation. Under here it's the sound deadening, then 19mm of insulation, Armaflex, self-adhesive, very easy to work with. And all these bridges, those thermal bridges, I'm going to cover it with an extra layer of 19mm Armaflex, or to cover it like that. Plywood on top of it. And we can start building the cabinets. It's not going to be for the first weeks, I'm afraid, because before I attach the plywood to the van, I have to finish the electricity. You already know what I said before. Still waiting for advice.
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore.
The waiting game. Ran out of insulation. Still waiting for the electrician. I'll ask my father-in-law if he can start the vinyl floor, or maybe start preparing the walls. Otherwise, I'm stuck. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, thumbs up, and leave a comment. And I hope to see you in the next episode.
And now if I've been one, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody